My dad makes the world's best wood-burning furnaces and sauna stoves. Please stay tuned.
I'm going to demonstrate the revolutionary 24-volt computer that actually runs the fire for you. You can see the green light is on when you first start the computer. That means this air shutter is closed and will not open until it starts to sense heat. What I'm going to do now is manually heat a torch, which will be the same thing as if you're heating the firebox temperature on the inside. Now as this starts to heat, the computer will pick up that temperature and the three lights will come on, which is the beginning of your burn, and the air shutter is wide open. As this continues to heat, it will modulate the air of the fire automatically for you. Right now, I have the computer set on low for a mild weather. If the weather gets colder, you can set it higher. That will determine the level of burn and the heat output per hour that comes off of the stove. I'm going to keep it on low and continue to heat the heat sensor, and then the air shutter will start to modulate all by itself. You'll see when it gets hot enough. It takes a little while. This would be your fire that started when the ashpan door was open at first, and then you close the ashpan door, and then the fire starts to heat, and then the air shutter will modulate automatically. The gases would be burning in the firebox when the gasification is taking place. There we go. Now you can see that the air shutter has gone to the second level, which was a ½ inch open. When two lights are on, it's a ½ inch open. When one light is on, it's a ¼ inch open. And now when it reaches your level of burn, which is low, I got it set on low, the air shutter closes and it goes on pilot air. That's your two air inlets that are ahead of the butterfly and keep the fire going so it doesn't die out and cause creosote. Now if I wanted a higher level of burn and more heat output, I would just turn this up and then you'd get a light on and it would open up a little bit more, and once it achieves that level of burn, that air shutter will close again. Watch, there. Now if you wanted to go as high as it would go, which would be really extreme cold weather, it would adjust the air shutter higher, would bring a higher level of burn and more heat output per hour off of the furnace. This is all automatic. It eliminates the guesswork in burning wood and makes it so that when the wood is burning, you get rid of all the smoke. Okay. This right here would be a vapor fire furnace that does not have the air jacket on it yet. I wanted to show you the way the heat exchanger tubes go through the heat exchanger at an angle, so when the furnace is burning complete and all the gases are being burned and they go up into the heat exchanger, your fan blows air around the furnace and then also through these tubes that are at an angle through the heat exchanger to extract the heat so you do not waste a lot of heat up the chimney. Rather than having a furnace that puts 500-600 degrees up the chimney and wastes a lot of heat, this is only between 200 and 300 degrees that's actually going up your flue. Now this is the back view of that same Vapor Fire 200 furnace without the air jacket on there. You can see all those tubes have gone through the heat exchanger at an angle. You can see the stainless steel smoke collar here. This would be your bracket that your blower blows onto the stove. It blows the air against the back of the stove, around the stove, and then through these tubes, and extracts the maximum amount of heat so you're not wasting a lot of heat up your chimney. This is a clean, green, wood-burning machine. If there ever was a green product that enhances our environment, the Kuuma Vapor Fire is it. Just look at that beautiful front-to-back burn. For more information, please check out our website at lamppakuuma.com. Lamppa is L-A-M-P-P-A, Kuuma is K-U-U-M-A.com. And you will see all the test results and also for more information as to how the furnaces work. I think that's the